Imagine needing to travel from Atlanta to Bangkok, Thailand. It is a trip that can take over 20 hours. Sitting at our desk all day can seem like an eternity, but it's hard to imagine spending 20 hours in one seat. The people at BE Aerospace can make this 20-hour journey so pleasant for those who can afford a first-class ticket. David Grisgriber, our reporter from Atkins High School, will introduce you to the people that will make this ride enjoyable.
Nokomis, creating a comfortable ride is a lot harder than it looks. It is a constant balancing act that must meet the need for passenger comfort, entertainment with safety, weight, and maintenance. I am here with Glenn Johnson, director of BE Aerospace's design studio. Can you tell me more about the design process?
Well, it starts with a request for proposal from an airline. The RFP usually gives us all of the specifications that we need to begin the design process.
What would that include?
Well, it starts with telling us what kind of aircraft and the layout of the aircraft interior. That tells us a lot about how we must design the seat and how many seats they need in each class of service. There are also expectations with respect to the weight of the seat and materials requirements, including the colour scheme, which is important for each airline's branding.
Why do they give you the weight?
Well, the total weight of the seats has a very big impact on the fuel efficiency of the plane, of course, and this can make a huge difference in what it costs to fly the plane and how far it can go without refueling.
What is the next step in the design process?
Well, we make photos and concept sketches, and then we refine those, and we use airbrushing and digital airbrushing, and then we'll go into the computer and use 3D CAD systems and animation, and we'll end up with like a virtual reality, and we'll also make prototypes.
How do you impress them?
Well, the seat design must look impressive. It's all about the features that they can offer given their specific budget.
Then what happens?
Well, it's really all about keeping the passengers entertained and physically comfortable on very long flights. When a passenger is in a seat for up to 20 hours, they need a broad range of entertainment options for the daytime part of the flight, and they need to be able to sleep and connect to the internet. And when it's time for the passenger to go to sleep, we must make them as comfortable as possible.
Then what happens?
We make our presentation to the airline, often to the CEO of the airline, and then they make a decision on which seat manufacturer has done the best job, and then they award the contract.
Once you win, then are you ready to begin making the seats?
No, never. We're not. We still have a lot of design work. There's a process known as preliminary design review, critical design review. It starts from a rough sketch into these 3D models, and engineering then gets involved to work out how to actually manufacture some of these dreams.
This is David Grisgriber from BE Aerospace, ready to take off.